Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to zip and unzip files and folders on your iPhone and iPad. Imagine you're ready to send important files or a batch of high resolution photos only to find your email service won't let you because the files are too big. Frustrating, isn't it? Well, there is an easy way to fix this. By zipping your files right on your iPhone or iPad, you can quickly reduce their size and effortlessly share them. No complicated app needed. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first I'm going to tell you how to create a zip file or a folder on an iPhone. You don't need any extra apps to zip files and folders on your iPhone. So for this, open the Files app on your iPhone and then navigate to the folder containing the files or folder you want to compress, and then tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Select. Now select one or more files or folders you want to zip. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner and then choose Compress. If you zipped one item, it will use the same name. If you zipped multiple items, it will be called archive.zip. You can long press the zip file to rename it if needed. You can even compress photos and videos. Just save them to the Files app from your Photos app. First, from your Photos app by tapping the Share button and selecting the Save to Files option in the Share sheet. Next, I am going to tell you how to open a zip file or folder on an iPhone. Unzipping a file or a folder on an iPhone is easier than zipping. For this, open the Files app on your iPhone and locate the zip file you want to unzip. It is downloaded. It might be in Downloads on my iPhone. Tap the zip file. A new folder with the same name will be created in the same location. Tap it to see all the contents. You can also long press and select Uncompress from the menu. If you just want to peek inside without unzipping, choose Quick Look. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to zip and unzip files and folders on your iPhone and iPad without third-party app. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.